Hello guys, welcome back. In the last lessons we were making ready our CSV project file for our project. We create 100 names, 99. Okay, 99 or 100. 99 names with 99 mathematics scores, science, English, history, and social study and French. Now, we want to do something. What we want to do? We want to choose elite one in these classes. At first, we said everyone that has a score under 60 is out of the list. Okay? 60. Now, let's do it for now. Just do it in the Excel and, it says 65. Okay. And everyone score is less than 65 is out. Okay, let's see. The first one is out. Second one out. These students are out. We have Jacob is not out, and let's go down. Joshua out. Okay, wait, we do it. What we want to do, it by coding in Python, but now for us to know the right answer, Aspen is not out. Junebird is not out. Okay. Let's go down. They are out. We want to create a code in Pandas to delete every row that has an score under 65. Okay, 3% are not out and everyone else is out. Okay, let's do it. And let me just save as this file here for the answers file. Okay, let's go to our Python file, open Jupyter Notebook. Wait until it's open. We were doing work in untitled. Let's name it project. Okay, let's go to desktop project. We have two projects. Let's see which one is the right one. We open both of them now. Okay, in this project, what we do is just creating our data name. Let's see what project one have. Okay, your project one, let's delete both of them and create a new one. And create a new one, untitled. Let's name it scores. Okay, let's see where we save it. It's here. Okay, at first we need to import our library. Now our library is Pandas as PD. After that, what we should do, we should read our CSV file. We create a data name scores and pd.read CSV. Okay, and the CSV file name is scores.c. CSV, not p. CSV. Okay, let's see, it's right. Yes, it's right. Let's run it. Okay, in new cell, let's see some of the scores. For example, score.head. The data is imported correctly. Now, let's do some mathematics. We don't know how to. Let's see if we can get one of the columns. Score 1, what gave us? It gave us nothing. Let's say, for example, French. It gave us the first column. Now, how we can get the first item of this column? Let's see if we can or not. We save it in a French, and then French 1. Let's see what it gives us. 0, for example. 72. Let's go to our data. We open 12 because French 72. It's the first number. Okay. Now we know how to get a data. It's okay. And then we must know how to delete a row in Pandas. Okay, as I say, you go to Google Chrome, search how to delete a row in Pandas Dataframe. Drop. Let's see how it works. What it gets. Okay. Columns. Drop. It dropped the columns. Drop 0, 1. It drops the row 0, 1. Okay. Let's see. We can drop it or not. Create a new cell. Test cell. Okay, we say score dot drop, for example, 0. Let's see what happened. 0 was applicable and it dropped that. Let's say drop, for example, 2. It's dropped the 2. The code is running perfectly. Now what we have to do? Let's think what we have to do. Okay, we need to write a for to find the cells that are lower than 65. Okay, we say for x in, let's create a def for it. Okay, def not def, what we say, def, for example, def elite, def selection, create a def. What it gets, it give, for example, 1 data frame, and in the other hand, what it gets, the number. Okay, now for example, the data frame, let's just create another cell. You say what? Because we need to write a def in another cell and then put it back. Okay, what we do, we say how to get data frames heads. Okay, we go to that in the, now let's go how to get data frames columns names. How to get columns names in Pandas. How to get them. Column names, def columns. Let's run it. For def we write, what we write, a score. Oh, we write it wrong, score. Column names. It's working great. Now we can what type it is. Type column names. Okay, remove. This enough for today. We just do some sort of data things in our data. In the next lesson, we are going to write the for the loop. See you tomorrow.